Hey there, today we're diving into the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440, the ultimate 12-in-1 grooming solution for men that covers everything from beard trimming to manscaping and hair clipping. This curated style kit meets all your grooming needs with its ability to trim, detail, contour, fade, and even groom your body with precision. Thanks to its precision wheel, you have 40 length settings in 0.02-inch steps, along with attachable beard and hair combs for unlimited versatility and professional precision. The ProBlade ensures an easy, fast, and gentle grooming experience, even in tricky areas, delivering great finishes and comfortable all-over body grooming. With Braun's innovative AutoSense technology, you can achieve effortless grooming results on any hair type, length, or thickness. Built to last, this trimmer features a powerful Li-ion battery offering a 100-minute cordless runtime, lifetime sharp blades, a charging stand, and a premium case for convenient storage. Elevate your grooming routine with the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7440 and experience the difference in every stroke. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.